Hello everyone, this video I will show you how to integrate the water level sensor to Home Assistant for the automation. So we can see here is the water tank. We will use this for example, and this is KC868 server. And this server, this time we will integrate with the water level sensor. Here is one kind of water level sensor, and this is another water level sensor. And what is the different? And this sensor is output dry contact, that it detect the level is on and close just is for high or for low, just for one output dry contact. And this water level sensor is output analog voltage, that is 0 to 5 voltage, so that you can learning and you can read the meter, how many meter, and this sensor can customer design for many meters. How many meters? About 5 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, almost 20 meter. Very high distance can be detected. So this is for on and off. Not understand how many the meter you have the water tank. This is the first step you need to choose which water level sensor you will use, and one is the output by contact, just for the contact signal, and the two is the output of the analog value, so that for 0 to 5 volts. And then you can create the automation in Home Assistant. You can see this is the Home Assistant. This time we have used the input 1 for the water level sensor. And we will take this for example, and you can see this is the sensor, and this have a cable. This cable have 4 lines. This have 4 lines. That line is VCC and ground. That is 12 volt work voltage, and the ground, and the output is COM and dry contact output. So this is a relay inside. So I can use this sensor just connect with the server. That is for 12 volt, and this is ground, and this is also is ground for the output signal, and this is for the input. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 cables. So now you can see this sensor, when you use, you just stick on the water tank. You can see here is the red, and I have created the automation that the relay 4, output 4 is triggered. So you can see Home Assistant, this is on, this input 1 is on, and this relay 4 is on. And you can see I can move this operation. You can see here, this is for off. This is for off. And when I move to the water, it's on. And move to this space, and it will be off. So this water sensor can detect the water in the box. This not need to put this sensor to the box inside of the water. But if you use this water level sensor, you need to put this sensor to the water and at the bottom of the water tank. So this is different. Use these two different sensors. And now we can look at how to create the automation for this on and off to auto control the relay output. So you can see we have the step 2. We have created these 2 automation in Home Assistant. That is for water level control output on and water level control output for off. I have already created this on, so we can look at the automation configuration, and this here is automation that I have created. So you can see what is created. This is name, and the output is on, and the state and the entity is input 1 because I have connected with the input 1. And when input 1 is on, just means that triggered. So this is on. And then you can see here is call service, and turn on, switch turn on. And which output we can choose, this one is output 4. So you just create this automation, then you output 4 will according to the water level sensor. So we can create another automation that is for off. So you can see I can create And this is automation name. I can copy this for save the time. Automation, and also triangle type is according to the state, and the entity is import 1, so we can choose this one, and this time is off, so we can see here, and the action you can see choose the auto call service, and the service is switch, because we need to control the switch off, so we need to choose this switch type, and the switch will be off, and which switch that choose entity, that is output 4. So when we complete saved, and you can back to this page and just enable these two automation create on and off. So we can go to the overview, and this time I can turn on this relay 4, and you can see this state. When I have this one, you can see here is on and the relay is on, and if no watt and the relay is off, also the input state for the first channel is off. So you can see I can hear on and off and on and off. So when you use this time, you can see if you have installed on this position, and now you can see I have prepared for the watt. We need to let it become watt level become high, and then the relay country the relay 4 is on. You can see I can okay. You can see now the relay is on. This sensor have detected the watt. You can see the black range is a sensor, so this level have touched the black level, so this will be out on. And also if you have let the watt become high, this time I have moved this sensor up, you can see this will be off and this relay will be off. So this is how to use the watt level sensor to automatically control the relay output for your home automation. Okay, thanks for watching.